Huh? Where am I? Huh? What? What? What's this thing? Can't get up. What? Ow! What the heck is that? What's that? Of course. Games now responding. Yeah, and it's back. Feel like my game's gonna crash out a lot more. Okay, can I take drastic movements like that? Oh, okay, back in the roleplay. Oh, that seems like that dig out. Oh, okay. That was weird. Where am I? And what is this thing? There's water. Oh, there's a pig. What's that? What's this thing? Can I pick a leaf off of it? The database says it's a mystical white flower. Okay. Cool, let's put that right there. Why do I still have these things? Put them right there. Where am I though? And it's nighttime? I don't know what's happening. What is this thing? What is that? Seems like a ray or something. Guess that's how I got out of there. Where am I? Don't know where I am. Like, where can I be? What's this? Oh. Oh. Okay. Ah, hot. Very hot. Oh, wow. That's electricity? What's that? Oh. A wave or something? Okay, guys, this is not the roleplay right now. This may or may not crash. It's black and time for Star Strike. And now I'm just gonna go back to the roleplay like normal. Okay then. So what about this lightning rain? Oh. That's not lightning, that's fire. Lightning destroyer? Oh. Sorry, pigs. Okay, they both died. Lightning circle? They're not kidding. What are these things, though? Star. What's this? It's another beam, and what's that? Okay. Lightning shield. Oh, I feel much stronger now for some reason. I feel much stronger. What is it? Oh, it's a... Okay. Now that's a blizzard. Still, all this stuff doesn't explain why am I here. Okay, not gonna use that again because that could burn up my bed. Oh, that's another beam called Blizzard. This does not work at all. Wait a second, where did my dig go? Where did it... Wait, load. Wait, what? Lightning shield, do. What does this do? What? Mana shield. What does lightning shield do? Magic shield. What? What does this do? Star. Oh, so that's what that was. That's pretty beautiful. And also, I'm never gonna use that. It's gonna be set back to normal. What does low 3 do? Oh, so that's the stuff I had. Okay. The star is very strong. Ouch. Hey. Okay, so where even am I? Already. Like, yeah, okay. I like that taking control randomly. What happened to my other thing? What are these icons about? Like, it looks totally different. Here we go. Let's see the icons for these things. And open up. Blizzard and Blizz. Blizzard and Blizz. And Blizz. And Blizzard. And Blizzard. And Blizzard. What? And up. Why do I have two ups? Oh wait, that's a star. That looks the exact same. None stuff. Makes sense. Firewall. So that's what that is. And beam is just a regular beam. Except lightning. Okay. Still need to find out where I am. Okay, where did that come from? Where the heck did that thing come from? Where? Like, where and how did that thing come from? Like, what? Can spell book? Oh yeah, what does this? What is the stuff? I don't know what any of this is. Wait a second, let me see something. That worked. Let's see what this is running right out of. Firestorm. Of course that wasn't gonna work. It's called Firestorm for a reason. Wizard, okay. Well, lightning. Hey, wait, what is this thing? Hey, there are a lot of things wrong. This is 50% lightning, 50% fire. 100% ice, lightning, okay. Arcane. Wait, life and arcane. What? Wait, what? Okay. That's it. Healing, heal, shield, and self. Wait. Is that right? This particle effect happens? Called a magic shield. Is that what happens? What happens if I charge it up? The exact same thing. What about this thing? Oh yeah, you can't charge that up. And here comes the saw. I had a bit. What happens if you charge this one up? Nothing. Oh yeah, that makes sense. It didn't have the beam. Nothing? Yeah. Yep. Let's do that and that and that. Now the star to finish it all off. So Blizzard, Firestorm. Wait, that's what it's called? Blizzard. What's the hero visit? Beam? Blizzard. Okay then. Okay. Makes sense to me, I guess. I'm stuck here? I'm stuck here, I think? I don't know. And this is where the usual episode would end. I'd like to give you guys a PS note, I guess. Thank you guys for watching this series so far. If you like it, I guess. If you don't like it, I guess. I don't know. I don't care if you guys have your own opinion. It's your opinion, not my opinion. People are just like, no, you have to like mine because I like it. And I'm just like, but it's his own opinion. And yeah, when I said that maybe the end goal would be fighting a wither or an ender dragon in the series, I sort of thought it's gonna be too strong. The way I literally made it. I literally made a diamond axe that did 5,004 damage. That is super overpowered. I don't think anything can survive that. Do you guys? Like, I don't think anything. Like, I tested it on a test world, and just one-shot the ender dragon, one-shot anything I spawned. I even tried once trying to give regeneration and absorption and resistance to the ender dragon. The ender dragon flew away. Couldn't get it. So I'm just gonna have to say, mods will make this whole series much better, and this is Magica episode 1 for me. Bye.